The reality is that God definitely has created not only this finite relative sort of world, but He has also developed and constructed all the life form and species and animals over it, of which the human beings are significant parts and the strongest, most intelligent, capable, bright ones also in one or another. But again, we have chosen mostly the evil over good. We have given in to the dark side of life and not really to the bright side. That's why there is so much violence, war, atrocity, corruption, torture, mayhem, famine, and many other evils inside of this world, which is of our own making, anyways, which we have brought into existence. Not necessarily all of us, but definitely some men are evil because they are greedy, lusty, because of their unrelenting and uncontrollable greed, desire, lust, ego, arrogance. They destroy everything else that resists them, that rebels against their ego. Arrogance gets destroyed by the evil man, anyways, in one or another, because the evil men then, at the end of the day, are fundamentally unconscious and imperatively ignorant, delusional, anyways. No matter who they are, what sort of education, position, power they have, they exploit everything and everyone they can get their hands on, or they can see. They manipulate everyone's perception because they're internally evil, because they don't have any inward compass, inner light, brightness, content, anyways. As a result of which they torture everyone and everything that is external to them unreasonably and unjustifiably in one way or another. So definitely God has created the soul, but He has not given the soul all of the qualities that are necessary to it, because He wants the human beings to develop, to cultivate, to work hard to improve themselves, to enrich their soul, to basically develop their mindset and grow faculties, talents, and never seen before powers inside of themselves, obviously, which are all good, productive, and authentic for the elevation of humanity and mankind and the enhancement of the world in one way or another. So God wants us to work hard, to treat each other with reciprocity, justice, equality, to build collective cohesion. God expects us that we be happy, prosperous, but for that He also wants us that we make ourselves worthy and deserving of happiness and prosperity and success, anyways. And that means we must be moral in our lives. Moral in the sense we create our own morals individually, we create self morality and individual rule, regulation, virtue in our lives, not imitating, repeating each other's action, virtue, success of any kind, not obviously obeying any slave morality, agreeing to any arbitrary standards, or obviously conforming to anything that does not